What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. We're going to go over Harmony One. Currently, we're sitting at 13 cents. We're up almost 2% on the day. It's a very volatile coin. We're sitting at 1.7 billion in market cap, and the 24-hour volume is 64.73 million. Guys, if you're new to Crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. They recently partnered with the UFC and are being broadcasted across the globe on the UFC jerseys. You get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So just ignore this little cluster here. We're currently on the one-day chart. So we have broken out of a cup and handle. We're seeing these bullish reversal patterns across the board in crypto. Here's your cup. Here's your handle, and we've currently broken the neckline. So as long as we hold this as support, guys, your target is up here at 20 cents. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain of, wow, 50% for Harmony One. All right, guys, so we're going to jump over to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we're here in the 4-hour. I'm just going to open it up for you guys. Take out my little squiggly here, just so everything's more visible. So you can see we're holding the 20 EMA beautifully on the 4-hour chart. Now, Harmony One is quite volatile, so just keep that in mind if you're trading Harmony. We did have some nice volume step in. We have broken out of a double bottom. You can see here, double bottom. Your target is up here at 13 cents. So we're going to jump into the 1-hour time frame. So you can see here, whenever Bitcoin prints a red candle, you're going to see a pretty significant candle for Harmony One. Where's Bitcoin? So here's Bitcoin, red candle, Harmony One, pretty significant red candle. And you see a green candle for Bitcoin. You see Harmony One have a nice little pump. So it's very volatile. It moves very, very quickly. So just be very cautious if you're trading Harmony One. Guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Receive up to $1,600 in bonuses just for signing up. You get $50 just if you deposit within the first 24 hours. All right, guys. So your target from this double bottom is up here at 13 cents. Now, if we were to roll over here and we lose this particular level of support, you can target this major level right here, which is back at about 116 for Harmony One. It would break us back underneath the neckline here. So do keep an eye on this level as well, which is the neckline at about 12 cents for Harmony One. All right, guys. So we've broken out. You can see here, I pulled my Fibonacci, actually previous swing high, sorry guys, swing low. So you can see here, swing high, swing low. We've come back up to where we started. So if we can hold support here, then we can add up to these price targets for Harmony at 13 cents and 13,734. Just be careful, guys, especially with trading on the weekend. All eyes on Bitcoin. We're in this descending triangle here. We have broken out a little bit, but we've just been trading sideways for quite a while here. And we do have a bearish divergence on the 4-hour. You can see we created a high, we created a higher high. And for Bitcoin, we created a lower high. So just keep an eye on that as well. We need to break 50.4K to remain bullish here. If we go through a larger correction, that's when you're going to see Harmony One come down to these levels of support. But as of right now, we're above the EMAs. We're above the 0.786. So your next target is 13,384. You have 13,613, which is your breakout target. You have 13.7, and then on the daily time frame, I'll give you some future price targets for one. You have this breakout target at 20 cents, and then you have the 1.272, which is up at 34 cents for one, and you have the 1.618, which is up at 59.60 cents. Let's bring this up to 60 cents. Nice round number. We're breaking above the golden ratio right now, which is a strong bullish signal, but we need to hold it as support here. That's a juicy gain of basically 350% for Harmony One. All right, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. So if you want to stay a step ahead of the game, sign up through the Patreon, price of a coffee. Follow me on social. Sign up to Bybit, Crypto.com. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.